Ever wondered about the subtle tricks that can turn you into the irresistible force he can't resist? In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 secrets to make and keep him undeniably captivated by you and your essence. Be sure to watch this video until the end, as what holds the second spot in this exclusive ranking will genuinely leave you without words. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated and not miss out on similar videos. Number 5. Ever wondered how you can infuse a sense of mystery to make him subconsciously want you? Human nature is naturally curious. We're drawn to things that spark our interest and engage our imagination. And in the realm of romantic attraction, curiosity plays a pivotal role. Men find themselves irresistibly captivated by women who exude an air of mystery. It ignites their curiosity and keeps them guessing, creating an alluring aura. Now, creating mystery doesn't mean adopting a cold or distant demeanor. It's about leaving space for imagination and not unveiling every detail about yourself all at once. Rather than sharing your entire life story on the first date, it's about strategically holding back a few intriguing details about your interests and experiences. It's the art of sharing gradually, allowing your potential partner to uncover layers of your personality over time. The key to mastering this aspect of attraction lies in finding the right balance. While a touch of mystery can be enchanting, too much might lead to confusion or frustration. The secret is to be genuine and open, while allowing your unique qualities and experiences to unfold at a pace that keeps the spark alive. So, are you ready to add a dash of mystery to your dating game? Do you believe that, instead of relying on subconscious tricks, direct communication is sometimes more appropriate? Let us know your thoughts once you've finished the video. Number 4. How can you make him want you more by orchestrating a symphony of care and thoughtfulness? Picture this: a woman taking the initiative not just as a gesture, but as a profound way to deepen intimacy and cultivate trust. It's a genuine desire to make his world a bit brighter, leaving an indelible mark on his heart. Forget grand, elaborate gestures. We're talking about the magic in those small, thoughtful actions that convey a powerful message. I've got your back. Imagine the scenario: surprising him with an unexpected cup of coffee, lending a helping hand without a prompt, or executing a sweet, unforeseen favor. These aren't just fleeting instances. They are the foundational building blocks of a connection that doesn't just endure, but grows stronger with each thoughtful act. The beauty lies in the subtlety, in those moments when you take the initiative without being asked, weaving a tapestry of understanding and care. These simple acts, filled with genuine intention, become the language that deepens your connection. Number 3. Did you know that mirroring someone can be a subtle yet powerful trick to deepen your connection? It goes beyond mimicry. It's about a gentle synchronization of nonverbal signals that build familiarity and alignment. Consider this scenario: a woman subtly mirroring a man's posture, seamlessly matching his gestures, echoing his facial expressions, and even harmonizing with his tone of voice. This nuanced mirroring becomes a captivating nonverbal dance, a silent language of connection that creates an instant rapport. The magic lies in the unspoken understanding, signaling that they are on the same wavelength and share a profound sense of common ground. So, have you ever experimented with incorporating mirroring into your interactions? This simple yet impactful technique can elevate your connections, fostering a deeper understanding. Whether in a casual conversation or a meaningful exchange, the art of mirroring adds a layer of authenticity and resonance to human communication. Number 2. Ever considered the magnetic charm of focusing on your passions and how it can significantly impact your ability to captivate a man's genuine interest? Are you intrigued by the idea of making him want you more by immersing yourself in the things that truly light up your world? It goes beyond mere availability. It's about cultivating a vibrant life enriched with pursuits that truly light up your existence. Envision this: A woman deeply immersed in her passions, whether it's a fulfilling career or engaging hobbies that bring her joy. It's akin to crafting an enchanting spell of allure and attraction, casting an irresistible pull on a man's subconscious. Avoiding excessive availability is crucial, preserving the mystery and excitement that fuels a budding connection. What genuinely captivates a man is a woman with her own world, radiating independence. This not only adds layers of fascination, but also communicates confidence and self-assurance. This self-assurance becomes a powerful magnet, signaling to men that you're not seeking someone to complete you, but rather someone to complement your already fulfilling life. Focusing on your interests and nurturing a fulfilling life becomes an irresistible force that draws a man in, not just making him want, but compelling him to actively choose to be a meaningful part of the vibrant world you've created. Before we dive into the top ranked, go ahead and express your liking for the video if you're finding it enjoyable. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Ever wondered about the art of becoming the treasure that captures his heart and ignites a subconscious desire for more? Here's a question to ponder. How can you transform yourself into a prize he's eager to win over? Instead of revolving your world solely around him, let's explore a powerful psychological trick for attraction. Surround yourself with friends and showcase a life filled with diverse priorities. Imagine this: a vibrant world where friends, family, and work coexist harmoniously. It's about creating a life that extends beyond the confines of a singular focus on him. As he sees you balancing various aspects of your life, a sense of competition is ignited within him. Suddenly, you transform into the prized jewel he wants to claim, a beacon of allure that beckons him closer. This simple yet profound shift becomes a magnetic force, pulling him in without him even realizing it. Maybe we'll see you again in the amazing video suggested on the screen. Thanks for watching.